If you own an Airstream, or I guess any RV, you're familiar with the push and the pull of the vents. And unfortunately, they do break. Here's how we fixed it without having to buy a new one. There are replacement handles for the bathroom vent that aren't really expensive, but the problem is they're going to break again. So we fixed it in a way that we think it probably won't break. First, we just started with taking all the pieces off. There was the cover piece, there was the handle, and then there was the screen. This gave us a great opportunity to clean the screen as well. We took the two broken handle pieces and measured out where it would be a good fit to cut so our fingers would fit, and then got the Dremel tool out and started cutting off the broken parts. Once it was the size we wanted, we then got the other Dremel tool out, the sanding one, and my husband sanded it down as smooth as he could get it with that tool. The Dremel sanding tool did a great job, but we wanted to just finish it off with 150 grit sandpaper to make sure it was really smooth. Then all that was left was to put everything back. The screen went first, then the handles, then the cover. It works the same way, push to open, pull to shut. I was filming, so I only had one hand that I was using, but obviously you can use both hands to open and close the vent. We hope this video helped you on your travels. Thanks for watching.